Hello, my name is Miran Anwar, and the title of my experiment is Bird is Not the Word. The purpose of this experiment is to test if marinating chicken prior to grilling will decrease the amount of heterocyclic amines inside of chicken. There are many ways to cook chicken. Grilling, frying, baking are just a few examples, but what do all these examples have in common? They require you to cook the chicken at high temperatures. There's a slight disadvantage though. When cooking at high temperatures, creatine mixes and combines with amino acids to form heterocyclic amines. Heterocyclic amines are a type of carcinogen, which means they can cause cancer throughout the human body. Heterocyclic amines are defined as any chemical compound that has one or more heterocyclic ring and an amine group. The hypothesis of this experiment was that out of all the marinades, lemon juice would do the best in decreasing the heterocyclic amines. This doesn't mean that the other marinades would do bad, it just means lemon juice would do better. How this experiment was conducted was first, 18 pieces of chicken were taken, 6 for each trial, and marinated in one of the following marinades: lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, brown sugar, and Italian dressing. The 6th piece of chicken was not marinated, as it was a control. After being marinated overnight, these pieces of chicken were then grilled for 20 minutes until they reached 73.9 degrees Celsius. When they reached this temperature, they were then removed and cut into 25-gram samples each. These samples were blended with 75 milliliters of sodium hydroxide and put into centrifuge vials. These vials were centrifuged at 16,300 Gs of force for 10 minutes. After being centrifuged, the liquid portion was extracted with plastic pipettes and put into a separation glass. Also in the separation glass was 40 milliliters of a 95 to 5% solution of dichloromethane to toluene. These two solutions were mixed together and then set out until they separated. When they separated, the bottom layer, which was the organic compounds, was removed through the extraction tube, as shown in Figure 2. These organic compounds were then put through extraction columns and mixed with a purified buffer to prepare to go through the HPLC. This stands for High Performance Liquid Chromatography. This was used to isolate the heterocyclic amines and to graph the data. The results of this experiment are shown here. The first column shows the bent retention time, and the second column shows the area. The third column shows the true area, which was taken by taking the area of the control and dividing it by the area of the original. Table 8 shows the average percent decrease of heterocyclic amines in each of the marinades when compared to the control. The results go as followed: apple cider vinegar with 53.8, lemon juice with 48.6, Italian dressing with 47.2, soy sauce with 33.6, and finally brown sugar with 12.6. The hypothesis of this experiment was partially supported. It was supported in the part that all the marinades did in fact decrease the heterocyclic amines inside of chicken. It was not supported that lemon juice would do the best in decreasing the heterocyclic amines. In fact, according to the results, apple cider vinegar did the best. Lemon juice was the second best. In conclusion, it will always be beneficial to you to marinate chicken prior to grilling. Thank you.